Hey, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to place your first trade on Binance futures. So first of all, you need to fund your account. So head over to your assets at the bottom right, hit add funds, and then you can deposit crypto, receive via Binance Pay, or buy with USD via bank transfer card and more, or you can use P2P trading if your region doesn't cooperate with crypto, right? Or doesn't allow crypto in your country yet. Right now, once you fund your account using one of these methods, you're gonna go ahead to home, hit search at the top right or the search icon, and type BTC. Right, let's say I'm using USDT. Right, I funded my USDT, so I'm gonna look for right here. You can see futures, the top to make it more specific. I'm gonna use BTC USDT. Right, next with perp. Right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go long or go short. So please be aware that this is not a financial advice. So study the market because Bitcoin especially is highly volatile. Now I'm going to hit long, right? And I'm going to enter the price that I want to buy, right? I can buy 49% of Bitcoin, right? And for your safety, add the TP and SL, right? The take profit and stop loss. Where you want to take the profit, right, and where you want to take the loss or take the least loss amount, right? And then once you enter the price, right, you can see right here the buy profit and the sell profit. Okay, take profit at 86, stop loss at 70, let's say. Right, and you can buy or sell the future, expecting the market will go up or go down. So consider liking this video, subscribe it, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.